guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Welcome to Farr Digital Media. Hope you guys are all killing it. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 7 ways to make money online. I feel like we all could use an extra couple $100 a month, whether it's paying groceries or car payments. So these are easy ways and easy proven ways that you guys can start making money online. The biggest thing with all of these is have something you have passion about, that you have a clear understanding of. So if people do ask you questions about it, you can answer them with ease and confidence. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump into this and get the ball started here. So the first one here is just selling an online course. I feel like this is the standard for making money online, but I also think it's still a completely underrated thing and way to make money. I think we all have some sort of expertise or some sort of passion where we could sell and create a course on a specific niche to make money. Now, courses can be sold as a video series, webinars, or even live sessions. I think that this is an easy way where people can make money. It's more of a passive way to make money. Obviously, you do have to promote it or have some sort of following. But overall, if you guys make the course, you put it in, maybe you only update it every couple of months. And this is an easy way to make money here. And this right here, I forgot. This right here is Teachable, which is a site that I've used. I'll put a link to it down below because it's awesome. But this is an easy way where you guys can start making courses for free. The next way here is another free option. This is ebooks. So ebooks are a great way because you can send them to anybody. It's not going to cost you any money because you can send them a downloadable file. They download it, boom, boom, you're good to go. Or you could use a site like the Amazon self-publishing to publish it on Amazon to start making money that way. And it can be right on Amazon's ebook, so people can pay for it that way, and you just get a check every single month through Amazon. This is an easy way, but like always, you do have to create the content. You have to have a topic, whether it's self-help, business, or even fiction. Let's move on to the next one here. The next one here is another way that I think that a lot of people could make a bunch of money here. And this is selling digital products. So save time by selling templates for presentations, social media graphics, CVs, planners, and other business proposals. The biggest thing is these two sites, Etsy and Canva, for this thing should be your bread and butter. You can create content on Canva, sell it on Etsy, and a Canva membership costs you $15 a month. Okay, invest into your business. Etsy will cost you $15 and that's it, and then 20 cents a listing. So I think that this is a completely under-tapped market that people don't even really pay attention to. And I just posted a full video on this actually explaining how to do it step by step. So check that out after you guys watch today's video. The next way here is just a printable series. So this is a digital, this is printable. So this could be stuff like planners, trackers, this could be meal planning, budgeting, fitness tracking, or even just your daily schedule where people can download it and print it out to make their lives easier, to help organize their lives. And the great thing, Canva has a bunch of already templates that you guys can customize with your branding and make it more you and make it more of your business. And you guys can put it right on Etsy and start making money there. The next way is selling high quality photos and videos and targeting a specific theme like lifestyle, travel, corporate, can use it for blogs, websites, and other social media. If you guys have a drone like I do, I don't know if you guys can see it, you can make good money by selling, photos and videos on sites like Shutterstock. And we'll do a full series, later this week on how to go about doing that here. All right. The next one here is just basic graphic design elements. So this could be assets like icons, like fonts or other illustrations. Businesses, creatives need these for projects without starting from scratch. Obviously, we'll do another full series on how to do this, but overall, this right here, you do have to have a little bit of a graphic design experience. So we'll save that here for another series. And then basic music and audio files. Some of you guys will have passion with music, and this is an easy way where you guys can sell background music, sound effects, podcast intros, meditation audios. These products are valuable for video producers and podcasters, and you can make good money. All you need is a microphone and to know what you're doing. All right, guys, so these are the top 7 ways that you guys can make money online and just start making a couple $100 every month. Like always, these, it's going to take time. There's really no such thing as a get rich quick scheme. Now you got to put in the work, and you got to be able to do that with your business, because at the end of the day, that's exactly what this is. It's a business. You got to treat it like one. So I hope you guys all enjoyed that. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.